Breaking news, the world is stunned as a US F-16 fighter jet launches a sudden airstrike on Houthi positions in Yemen. The unexpected nighttime operation has triggered major shockwaves, especially in Tehran. Iran is furious. According to U.S. military sources, the strike was in direct response to escalating threats from the Houthi rebels, who have recently increased drone and missile attacks on international shipping routes in the Red Sea. The Pentagon calls it a decisive preemptive action. Iran, known as the main backer of the Houthis, wasted no time issuing a bold and fiery response. A spokesperson from Iran's foreign ministry condemned the airstrike as a blatant act of aggression, warning that the U.S. is playing with fire in an already volatile region. Eyewitnesses in Sada, the Houthi stronghold, described a terrifying scene around 2 a.m. local time. The sky lit up red, and the explosions shook our homes, said one local resident who requested anonymity. Panic and chaos reportedly erupted in the aftermath. The U.S. Department of Defense confirmed that the targets were weapons depots and command centers believed to be responsible for planning attacks on global maritime traffic. Drone footage released shows massive destruction at the impact sites. The timing of the strike is no coincidence. It came just days after the United Nations Security Council warned Iran and other regional actors against escalating tensions in Yemen. Analysts say this airstrike sends a clear political message. The U.S. will not stay silent. Now global attention is turning to Iran's next move. Could this be the beginning of a broader military conflict between Washington and Tehran? Has the countdown to a regional war already started? The hashtag WW3 has begun trending on social media. So far, there is no official death toll from the Houthi side, but tensions on the ground are rising fast. The world holds its breath, watching closely. Will Iran retaliate? Or will diplomacy prevail before things spiral out of control?